Good afternoon, San Felice Hotel. May I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. When for, madam?
March the 23rd.
How long will you be staying?
3 nights.
What kind of room would you like, madam?
Double with bath. I'd appreciate it if you could give me a room with a view over the lake.
Certainly, madam. I'll just check what we have available. Yes, we have a room on the 4th floor with a really splendid view.
Fine. How much is the charge per night?
Would you like breakfast?
No, thanks.
It's €84 per night, excluding VAT.
That's fine.
Who's the booking for, please, madam?
Mr. and Mrs. Ryfield. That's Ryeffield.
OK, let me make sure I got that. Mr. and Mrs. Ryfield, double with bath for March the 23rd, 24th and 25th. Is that correct?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Let me give you your confirmation number. It's 7576385. I'll repeat that, 7576385. Thank you for choosing San Felice Hotel and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.